Alrighty guys, so for this one, we are still talking about arithmetic sequences. However, now we want to write it in explicit form. Well, let me give you a little review of what explicit is basically. If you want to write a formula, again, pick any letter you want. C of n equals, whenever you write explicit, your first term always goes first, plus whatever is your common difference. What are you doing over and over? And this is going to be the same, guys. This parentheses, n minus 1 is just always there. It's part of the formula. Well, with that in mind, let's figure out our formula. So our formula would be, well, let's call it C again, or whatever letter you want. C of n equals, well, my first term is always, again, a review. A sequence is always in order. Term number 1, term number 2, term number 3. The n in parentheses is always the term number. So in this case, we are creating a formula, generic formula for this sequence. Well, what's my term number 1 for the first term? That will be 9, so we write that there. Plus, now what are we doing over and over? So from the 9 to the 5 to the 1, didn't we actually have to subtract the 4 over and over? Subtract the 4? Yeah, so instead of putting a plus, you could say plus negative 4, or play it safe, minus 4, parentheses, n minus 1. And that's basically how you write the explicit formula. However, if you haven't heard before, explicit formula actually has 2 ways to write it. There's actually another form you have to remember. And it's not that crazy. All you have to remember is your explicit formula could look like this, or it could be simplified. And when I mean simplified, all I mean is do the derivative property. So remember, that's a negative 4. We're going to distribute that negative 4 to both. So what's negative 4 minus n? Or I'm sorry, negative 4 times n? That'll be negative 4n. What's negative 4 times negative 1? That will be a positive 4. And what can we combine here, guys? A positive 9 and a positive 4. So that gives us C of n equals 13 minus 14n. So in fact, this is going to be our second way you could write the same formula.